In ancient times, Poseidon, the mighty god of the sea and earthquakes, bestowed a remarkable gift upon King Minos of Crete, known for his wisdom and justice. This gift was no ordinary offering but a magnificent white bull, emerging from the depths of the sea with a thunderous roar that echoed across Crete's shores. Its glistening coat shimmered in the sunlight, reflecting hues of silver and pearl, while its powerful muscles rippled beneath its smooth hide. Its eyes held an ancient wisdom known only to the gods, and its long, gracefully curved horns gleamed with an ethereal light, a testament to its divine origins. The people of Crete, struck with awe and wonder upon witnessing the majestic creature, hailed King Minos as favored by the gods for receiving such a remarkable gift. Minos himself, overwhelmed with joy and gratitude, believed the bull to signify Poseidon's favor and approval of his rule. To honor this divine blessing, he ordered a grand celebration unlike any seen before in Crete. Colorful banners adorned the streets, fragrant garlands hung from every corner, and the air filled with music and laughter as people gathered to witness and partake in the festivities. The bull rightfully took center stage as the embodiment of their newfound prosperity and divine favor. As weeks turned into months, the bull's radiance seemed to intensify. Its already dazzling coat appeared even whiter, its muscles more pronounced, and its horns more majestic. The people of Crete grew to adore the bull dearly, seeing it not just as a symbol of their kingdom's prosperity but also as a direct manifestation of Poseidon's benevolence and power. King Minos, overwhelmed by gratitude, decided to honor Poseidon's gift in the most extravagant manner conceivable. To him, the bull was more than a majestic creature, it was a sacred entity embodying divine favor. Thus, he resolved to offer the bull as a sacrifice to Poseidon, a gesture of eternal gratitude and devotion. The preparations for the sacrifice were meticulously planned and executed with solemn reverence. The finest priests and priestesses officiated the ceremony, and an exquisite altar was erected in a sacred grove overlooking the Aegean Sea's azure waters. Amidst chants of sacred hymns and the sprinkling of holy water, the bull, serene and majestic, was led to the altar. Its eyes, usually calm and noble, now reflected a deeper understanding of the impending ritual. With a ceremonial knife gleaming in the sunlight, King Minos approached the altar with a solemn expression. With a heart heavy with both gratitude and sorrow, he knew that this act was necessary to honor Poseidon's gift and secure his kingdom's continued prosperity. With a steady hand and unwavering resolve, Minos plunged the knife into the bull's chest. The bull let out a mournful bellow, its powerful frame trembling with pain as its lifeblood flowed freely, staining the altar and the consecrated ground beneath it. The air was thick with a palpable sense of sacrifice, and as the bull's life ebbed away, Minos closed his eyes in prayer, beseeching Poseidon for forgiveness and his continued favor. When the sacrifice was complete, King Minos felt a profound sense of peace and contentment. He believed, with every fiber of his being, that he had pleased Poseidon and fulfilled his duty as both a king and a devout servant of the gods. However, unbeknownst to Minos, Hera, the queen of the gods, watched with envy and resentment. She was displeased by Minos's prosperity and the favor he enjoyed with Poseidon. In her jealousy, she decided to unleash her wrath upon the bull, a creature she saw as a symbol of Minos's pride and arrogance. Hera dispatched a gadfly, a small but relentless insect, to torment the bull without respite. The gadfly's incessant stings drove the once gentle and peaceful creature into a frenzied state of agitation and fear. The bull, now consumed by uncontrollable rage, broke free from its enclosure and unleashed its fury upon the island of Crete. The consequences were swift and devastating. The bull rampaged through the fertile fields and bustling towns of Crete, trampling crops, demolishing buildings, and striking terror into the hearts of its inhabitants. The tranquil and idyllic island of Crete was suddenly transformed into a chaotic battleground, where fear and uncertainty reigned supreme. King Minos, witnessing the catastrophic consequences of Hera's wrath, was filled with profound regret and despair. He knew that Hera's punishment had been unleashed upon him as a consequence of his pride and presumption. Desperate to quell the bull's rampage and restore peace to his kingdom, he sought guidance from the oracle at Delphi, a revered seer known for her prophetic wisdom and divine insights. Minos traveled to Delphi, a sacred sanctuary nestled on the slopes of Mount Parnassus, seeking answers and solace amidst the chaos that had befallen his kingdom. The oracle, known as the Pythia, sat upon her tripod stool within the hallowed chamber, inhaling the intoxicating vapors that rose from the sacred chasm below. As she entered a trance-like state, her voice resonated with otherworldly power as she uttered riddles and prophecies that transcended mortal understanding. Minos listened intently to the oracle's words, his heart heavy with both hope and trepidation. The Pythia revealed to him that the bull's rampage was indeed a punishment wrought by Hera, the queen of the gods, in response to Minos's hubris and arrogance. Moreover, she foretold that only a hero of unparalleled strength and courage could hope to subdue the rampaging bull and restore peace to the beleaguered island of Crete. The oracle's prophecy struck a chord of despair within Minos's heart. He knew all too well that he was not the hero foreseen by the oracle's words. He was a king, a ruler tasked with the governance of his people, not a warrior destined for feats of legendary valor. However, the weight of responsibility pressed upon his shoulders, compelling him to do everything within his power to save his kingdom from the grip of chaos and destruction. In the meantime, the oracle at Delphi, renowned for her prophetic insights, revealed to King Minos that only a hero of extraordinary strength and courage could hope to subdue the rampaging bull and restore peace to the embattled island of Crete. She named Hercules, the son of Zeus and Alcmene, as the only individual with the potential to achieve such a monumental feat. Hercules had already attained widespread renown throughout the realm of Greece for his incomparable feats of strength and his unyielding determination in the face of adversity. He had successfully completed a series of arduous trials, known as the 12 labors, each more formidable and perilous than the last. The oracle believed that Hercules was uniquely suited to confront the Cretan bull, not only due to his extraordinary physical prowess but also owing to the nobility of his character and the unwavering righteousness of his spirit. Upon receiving the oracle's prophecy, King Minos recognized the urgency of the situation and the necessity of securing Hercules' aid. He dispatched a trusted messenger with a missive detailing the dire circumstances facing Crete and beseeching Hercules to come to their aid. The messenger embarked on a perilous journey, traversing land and sea to find the renowned hero and deliver the king's plea. Meanwhile, Hercules, ever the adventurer and seeker of challenges worthy of his strength, was engaged in another labor far from the shores of Crete. He had embarked on a quest to retrieve the elusive golden apples of the Hesperides, a task that demanded his utmost focus and determination. Yet, even amidst his trials, Hercules remained attuned to the cries for help from those in need, ever ready to answer the call of duty. Days turned into weeks as the messenger journeyed across vast landscapes and turbulent waters in search of Hercules. He encountered myriad obstacles along the way, from treacherous storms that threatened to capsize his vessel to rugged terrains that tested his endurance. Yet, driven by the urgency of his mission and the fate of his homeland weighing heavy on his heart, the messenger pressed onward with unwavering resolve. Finally, after an arduous journey fraught with challenges and hardships, the messenger arrived at the sacred sanctuary where Hercules was said to be undertaking his latest labor. He sought an audience with the hero, presenting King Minos's plea with an earnestness that conveyed the gravity of the situation unfolding in Crete. Hercules, upon hearing the messenger's tale of woe and learning of the havoc wrought by the rampaging bull, felt a stirring within his heart. Despite the formidable task that lay before him in his quest for the golden apples, he recognized the urgency of the situation in Crete and the plight of its people. With a solemn nod and a steely resolve, Hercules made a solemn vow to aid King Minos and bring an end to the chaos that gripped the island. Leaving behind his current quest and setting aside thoughts of the golden apples, Hercules embarked on a swift journey back to Crete. The sea churned beneath his mighty vessel as he sailed homeward, guided by the distant cries for help that echoed across the waves. The hero's presence was a beacon of hope for the beleaguered inhabitants of Crete, who awaited his arrival with bated breath and fervent prayers for deliverance. Upon his return to Crete, Hercules was greeted with both relief and reverence by King Minos and the people. The king, his face etched with gratitude and admiration, welcomed Hercules with open arms and recounted the havoc unleashed by the rampaging bull. He expressed his unwavering faith in Hercules' ability to confront the creature and restore peace to their shattered land. Hercules, ever humble yet resolute in his purpose, assured King Minos that he would do everything in his power to capture the rampaging bull and bring an end to its reign of terror. Armed with his legendary strength, unwavering courage, and the determination to uphold justice, Hercules set forth on his quest to confront the formidable adversary that threatened the tranquility of Crete. The hero embarked on a relentless pursuit of the rampaging bull, traversing the rugged terrain and dense forests that had become the creature's domain. He followed the trail of destruction left in its wake, his keen senses attuned to the faintest traces of its presence amidst the chaos. Each step brought him closer to the elusive beast, a testament to his unwavering resolve and determination. Days turned into nights as Hercules tirelessly tracked the bull across the length and breadth of Crete. He encountered numerous challenges along the way, from treacherous cliffs that tested his agility to dense forests that obscured his path. Yet, with each obstacle overcome, Hercules grew ever closer to his quarry, driven by a singular determination to bring an end to the bull's rampage and restore peace to the embattled island. At long last, Hercules came upon a secluded valley where the rampaging bull had taken refuge. The air was thick with tension as he approached, his senses keenly attuned to the faintest rustle of leaves and the distant echoes of the bull's thunderous bellow. With a steady hand and a heart filled with resolve, Hercules prepared himself for the climactic confrontation that awaited him. There, amidst the rugged landscape and towering cliffs, Hercules confronted the rampaging bull in a fierce and epic battle that echoed through the annals of time. The bull, its eyes ablaze with fury and its muscles tensed for combat, charged at Hercules with relentless ferocity. Yet, the hero met its onslaught with unwavering courage and unmatched strength, his every movement guided by the righteousness of his cause. With lightning reflexes and unparalleled skill, Hercules deftly evaded the bull's powerful charges and retaliated with decisive strikes of his own. His sword gleamed in the sunlight as he unleashed a flurry of blows upon the creature, each strike aimed with pinpoint precision. The bull, though formidable in its own right, found itself outmatched by Hercules' superior prowess and unwavering resolve. Driven by a sense of duty and a steadfast commitment to protect the innocent, Hercules wrestled the rampaging bull into submission. With a final, mighty effort, he subdued the creature and bound it with strong ropes, its once furious struggles gradually yielding to exhaustion. The hero stood triumphant amidst the aftermath of battle, his chest heaving with exertion yet his spirit uplifted by the knowledge that peace had been restored to Crete. Having captured the rampaging bull and brought an end to its reign of terror, Hercules returned triumphantly to King Minos and the people of Crete. The king greeted him with tears of gratitude and heartfelt praise, honoring the hero for his unparalleled bravery and unwavering commitment to justice. The people rejoiced at Hercules' victory, celebrating his triumph as a testament to the indomitable spirit of heroism that had saved their beloved island from destruction. As a token of his gratitude, King Minos bestowed upon Hercules lavish rewards and honors befitting a hero of his stature. Yet, ever humble in his demeanor and steadfast in his principles, Hercules accepted these accolades with grace and humility. He knew that his actions had been guided not by the desire for glory or riches, but by a steadfast commitment to uphold the principles of justice and protect those in need. With the rampaging bull captured and peace restored to Crete, Hercules bid farewell to King Minos and the people who had come to admire and respect him. He knew that his journey as a hero was far from over, and that new challenges and adventures awaited him in the days to come. Yet, for now, he took solace in the knowledge that he had once again proven himself a true champion of the innocent and a defender of the oppressed. And so, the legend of Hercules and the rampaging bull became etched into the annals of history, a timeless testament to the power of courage, determination, and selflessness in the face of adversity. The people of Crete never forgot the hero who had saved their island from destruction, and they honored Hercules' memory for generations to come. In the end, the story of Hercules and the rampaging bull serves as a poignant reminder that even in the darkest of times, true heroes will always rise to the occasion, driven by the noblest of intentions and guided by the light of courage. Thank you for watching. Please comment below what you would like to see next.